you guys, welcome to another budget with me video. Today we are stuffing our sinking funds for the month of September. I am very behind on these budget videos, as I've mentioned before, but I hope you guys still enjoy them nonetheless. And yeah, I've just been super busy with a lot of awesome things that I have in store for you guys. I hope you guys love it. If you follow my budgeting channel, I did kind of sneak peek or slip you know, what I have in store for you. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my budgeting channel. The link is down below. And then also don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Let's just jump right into it, and we're gonna stuff some sinking funds. So I'm just gonna give you guys a heads up here that the sinking funds that we're stuffing today is not like our usual amount. I usually try to stuff around $500 or more in my sinking funds, but this month was a little slow. And you know, sometimes you just know when you're bringing in more or less money, and this month was a little bit less. And I'm also working on a project as well, as I just mentioned, which took a lot of time, money as well, so I had to allocate it towards that and not towards so much towards sinking funds. So you know what, I think I'm just gonna tell you guys, I'm opening up my own like shop, budget shop. I already have an Etsy store, so some of you guys have seen that with my printables, but I have more printables coming. I have envelopes coming, labels, all of that. If I haven't announced it already, it's coming very soon, but I'm really excited and I really appreciate your support and your love, and it just really inspired me to open up this shop. And anyway, we're not talking about that today. We are talking about sinking funds today. So let's start with this binder right here and just jump right into it. So I did kind of change this up a little bit. I might as well just talk about this before we get into it. I decided to add a plus and a minus section. So, you know, at the end of the month, when we close out September, we can also close out our sinking funds and we can see where we spent money and how much we have left. So that's what we're going to do, and let's just start stuffing. As you can see, the numbers that we are adding today are very, very small compared to what I usually add, because you know, a lot of my money went towards opening the shop, getting those things ready for you guys, and I'm just really excited. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Just a little spoiler, I'm offering these cash envelopes for you guys. You can use them as cash envelopes, as sinking fund envelopes, anything like that. You can customize your label. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have a full like reveal video of all the products, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. Okay, first sinking fund we are stuffing is our travel, and we're just adding $10. You guys, I usually add $100 a month to this, and I'm only adding 10 because it's rough out here. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 50, 450, 500, 520, 40, 550, 51, 52. So 552 in travel. And again, I'm not going to write the balances in or the ending balances in until the end of the month now, just in case we have to pull from them. We can see what we pull, and then we can see what we have left over. Okay, emergency. We are just adding $10 as well. Lots of tens, you guys. That's all I could afford this month. And you know, some months you can't afford to put any in sinking funds, and it is what it is. So we have 100, 250, 350, 370, 390, 410, 420, 430 in emergency, which is very nice. All right, medical. We are also adding $10 into medical. Okay, 100, 2, 3, 4, 55, 520, 530. Okay, car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting $30 because it doesn't have anything. So in August, my car did, I guess you could say, it broke down. It wouldn't start. So I had to take all the money from my car maintenance fund, completely exhausted again. You guys, if you've been following me for a while, this is the one envelope that keeps filling up, getting depleted, filling up, getting depleted. Like, I'm so grateful that I have this envelope. If you guys do not have a car maintenance envelope and you have an older car, you need one, because it is the worst when something happens to your car and you're not ready for it, and you don't have money set aside for it, because it just hits so much harder. So that's why I love sinking funds in general, but especially for my car, because it is an older car. But anyway, I'm putting $30 into it because it has 0. So also, my car did cost more than what I had in this envelope, but I was thankful that I did have a lot of unexpected income last month. If you guys remember, I had a lot of money that was unexpected come in, so that really paid for my car. Okay, moving on. Special occasions. I did spend a little bit from this sinking fund last month, but yeah, we still have $15 in it, and we're just gonna add 20 because my niece's birthday is also in September. So I have like my mom's birthday in August, my friend Alan's birthday in August, I have my niece in September. Okay, next is Christmas. Christmas is actually getting 30 because I feel like I need to bulk up Christmas for some reason. Even though I kind of know what I'm getting everyone, I just want to add a little bit more to it to be safe. So, whoops. Okay. So we have 100, 50, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230 in Christmas. Okay. And then in family, we are putting in just $10 in family, and a part, I think, this is what I'm doing, a part of my niece's birthday present is going to come out of family, and I'm going to take our family out for like a little day, maybe go into like an amusement park or something for my niece, something very kid-friendly. So amusement parks for like 4 people are very expensive. So we have 100, 50, 170, 190, 210, 220. Oops. Let me do that again. 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270. I almost slipped there. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Wait. Okay, so I know where I messed up. This was supposed to, the beginning balance was 260, not 210. So that really threw me off. So we started with 260, we added $10, so this is 270, or it should be. So 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270. Okay, 200, that makes more sense. 270 in family. And then we have home. Home is getting $10. Lots of 10s. So we have 20, 40, 60, $70 in home. And that is it for our purple binder. Again, I'm so excited to be releasing these envelopes and labels for you. You can customize them. I'm going to have a whole video. I was going to save it for a surprise, but you know what? Surprise! I'm opening a shop. And there's going to be tons of awesome things in the future. And I can't wait. Okay. It's also something I've been wanting to do for a while, you guys. And I just have been pushing it off. So moving on to my mint green binder, we have birthday. So this is for my birthday, and we're just adding $10 to it. I've mentioned this in previous sinking fund videos that I'm not going to do much for my birthday next year because I just have a lot of like family events going on at the same time. So in birthday, this would probably be like a birthday gift to myself instead of doing something or going somewhere. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 130 in birthday so far. And yeah, I'm not too concerned on stuffing this because, again, I already have so many things happening next year, and my birthday is not a priority to me personally. That's just the type of person I am. Some people are like obsessed with their birthday. I could care less on most years, unless it's like a big milestone. All right, Greece. Greece, usually, again, I would put in $100, but I just don't have that this month. Sometimes you just can't do it. So I'm putting in 50. So 50 in grease. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 50, 100. So 1,100 in grease. And again, I have just about a little under a year left to save or keep saving. New car is getting $20. Yeah, I'm just slowly stuffing this because I know I'm gonna need a new car in the future. I just fixed mine, so you know, fixing, and it was a big fix, so you know, doing a big fix will last for a little while, so fingers crossed. Hopefully it lasts. So we have in new car 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, 540, 560 in new car, which is nice. Okay, beauty is getting 15, and I don't think I have anything coming up for beauty anytime soon because I have been doing my own nails again lately. This is just normal nail polish. I cut all my nails down. I want them to breathe for a little bit. So beauty has 20, 30, 5. Okay. Health is getting $10. Okay, so in health we have 20, 40, 50, $60, which is actually probably perfect timing because my pre-workout is running very low and that is around $60. So I don't know if we have to buy it this month or at the top of next month in October. We'll see. Okay, Bachelorette is not getting anything. Let's just count it, you know, together. But it's not getting anything because I am going to be stuffing this envelope heavy after the end of the year savings challenges. I'm doing 2 savings challenges. If you guys are familiar, I'm sure you guys are, you've been following me for a while. I'm gonna have over $5,000 or over $6,000 by the end of the year. So I'm going to stuff this Bachelorette envelope at that time. So I'm not really worried about this right now, but there is $95 in it. So we're just gonna keep it at 95. I'm not concerned at all because I know I'll have the money later. And this is for my cousin's Bachelorette, and we're going to Cabo. Okay, car insurance. Every month it has to get $70 because that is just, you know, what I need to put in to make sure I have enough by the next payment. So for me, it's just easier to pay my car insurance 6 months at a time. That way I have 6 months to save. So I highly recommend it. I know it is a big lump sum, but it's nice when you don't have a monthly car insurance payment. And it's cheaper if you pay every 6 months. I think it's like a month or 2 cheaper. They like knock off a month or 2, which is great. So we have 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, and 210. 210 in car insurance. And yeah, that is everything for the actual sinking fund envelopes here. This $5 is going to be for giving, and I always put this in my wallet for whenever I bump into someone that is in need. So that is everything for my sinking funds for the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I will be offering the binders and envelopes and all of that, labels, more printables coming up in my new shop. I'm so excited. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. I'm going to have regular videos coming up soon, which is like dating videos and stuff like that, and just like sit down, maybe some hauls and stuff. I really miss doing those videos. I've just been so consumed with this new shop that I've been trying to get together, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm so excited. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe, follow me on Instagram, on my main Instagram and my budget Instagram, and other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.